Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo by following these steps. So let's start it. If you're having this issue, the first and the simplest step you want to do is quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and then the Apple logo appears again. So I'm going to do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button. Very important that you hold down this side button, and you're going to wait until the screen shows nothing on it, completely black like this, and then you're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear before you let go of this big side button. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, you need to try it multiple times. This method does work. All it is doing is forcing the phone to completely shut down and then reload the code without deleting any of your data. So key important thing here is to make sure you quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen completely blanks out and then the Apple logo reappears one more time. So again, to show you, volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button just like that in that sequence. So now you may need to try a few times because sometimes the first try you don't get it, second try you may not get it, so just keep on trying. And once you're able to get it to go completely black and the Apple logo reappear, it's going to go ahead and reset that software without deleting of your data and then fix it for you. And that's how you need to fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.